Hi, I'm Eric. I'm Kablamo on MetaCpan. I created a module called MooX Commander, and the goal here is to build command line apps with subcommands and option parsing like git or dzil. So we're going to go through an example. This is not a real command line app, unfortunately. This is an imaginary one. But so you can see from the usage that there are a number of actions here, commands, and also some of the commands have subcommands. There's a help command so that you can get help with other commands. And that works like this. Actually, before I go further, generating usage or help statements was something I struggled a lot with. Everyone has their own opinion on how it should work and what it should look like. Not every app works the same way. I did a lot of research and looked at a lot of modules and even different languages, and I just decided it was a hard problem. And ultimately that I didn't really care that much about it because it's not that hard to maintain the usage statements by hand. So I didn't even try to solve it. So this module doesn't generate help or usage, but as an advantage, you get some additional simplicity and flexibility. If you're going to create an application like this, you probably want to lay out your project like this, separating your presentation logic from the rest of your logic is helpful. But it immediately means that you need to set up routing or dispatch from the script to your command classes. So let's talk about how that works. So the user wants to throw a pie at Batman. In the script, you're going to create a MooX commander class and call the dispatch method and pass in argv. So what this does when you call dispatch is it's going to look at the throw command class and call the go method. You can see that the argv has been parsed, and I'm passing in the pie type in the target. We're going to do some validation here, and then at the end we'll throw the pie at the target. So as part of the validation, you're probably going to want to print the usage and exit. And there's some logic there that's kind of useful. I got sick of writing it. So if you include this role, you save like 2 lines of code, which is not that exciting. But you can also create this builder and pass this array to configure get_opt long. And now you've got an options attribute. So you can curse loudly before throwing the pie at the target at your preferred speed. In terms of subcommands, to set up dispatch to like there's commands and then there's subcommands, right? So to set up dispatch, you just use this role. You may also want some usage in there. Subcommand classes work the same way that command classes do. To the help command that I was showing previously, again, all you need to do is include this role and a usage statement for the overall app. And that's it. So to recap, you set up dispatch to the command classes. If you want to parse options in your command classes, you use the has_options role. If you want to have subcommands, then you're going to need to use this role. And to create a help command, there's the is a help command role, and that's it.